Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm actually filming in the bathroom and the lighting kind of sucks, so I hope you guys could bear with me. So today I'm actually showing you guys how I re-dye my roots. As you guys can see, it's going out. So the product that I always dye my hair with is Dark and Lovely, guys. So the color is Honey Blonde 378 right here, as you guys can see. And this is the package of it. It's purple, and then this is the hair color, and I like how it shows you guys the result. This is honestly the only brand I use, guys, because I tried like L'Oreal. What else do they have? I forgot what else they have. Ferrera, is that how you say it? I don't know. F-E-R-I-A, guys. Like those brand, I tried it out before, but it never changed my hair color. And then I found out about this brand, and it actually worked for my dark hair. So this is how it turned out. This is the color I always been using. And in the fall time, I think I will be dyeing it a little bit darker, like to like a medium brown or light brown. I don't know for the fall time, but we'll see. Because I actually want to like switch up my hair color now. Because I had this for like, I don't know, like 2 years maybe, 3 years. So the first step is that you have to change into a dirty shirt, because you don't want to wear like your new brand shirt or white tee, because then once you dye your hair, the color's going to get a stain on the shirt and you might not be able to wash it out. So that's why you wear a dark shirt that you do not care about. So what comes in the box is instructions and gloves. So one for your right, one for your left. So it comes with a cream developer and the hair color, which is the Honey Blonde. And last is this moisturized rich conditioner with nourishing fruit oil. So it has shea, avocado, and olive in it, and I absolutely love this condition, guys, because after I wash my hair out and I apply this condition, and when I get out the shower, it makes my hair feel so soft, and the color is like so shiny. I love it. So the first step is to put on your gloves, guys. I feel like I'm doing like a lab experiment or something, and I know I look like shit right now because I have like no makeup on, and this lighting is not even helping me out with my face. So what you want to do is open the cream developer and the hair color. Oh, this is so tight today. So you open up the cream developer and you open the hair color dye. Don't sniff it, guys, because it smells really bad and strong. So what you do is pour the hair color dye into the cream developer, all of it. And then you close the cream developer. And there's this little cap thingy, so you have to just like snap it off. And what you want to do is put your index finger and cover the tip, and then just shake it. Make sure you shake it really, really good. I usually section my hair off, guys, but you could do it, but I'm like so used to dyeing my hair, like I know I don't need a hair clip. But usually when I first dye my hair, I section it into 4. So I tie like the half up here, and then I tie the bottom half into 2s, and then these into 2s, and I work into each section one by one. But what I usually do is work on one side. So I'm starting from the back side right now, as you guys can see. And then I just pour this on my hair. Usually I have to use like 2 bottles for my whole head, guys, but this is just my roots. So I'm just like massaging it into my roots just to get the product on there evenly. And then I section off another one right here. And do the same thing. Be careful that it drip onto your eyes, okay, guys? So once you guys start drizzling it on the top part, be careful. Okay, so once I section it off evenly and got it on the side, what I do now is comb my hair back, and then the extra left that I have, I just start putting it, I just put it everywhere evenly again, like this. So like around my whole head, guys. You want to be careful. Don't forget right here as well, guys, the corner by your ear, the little hairs, your baby hair, I mean. Because usually I always miss this spot, but I do it at the end. And then don't forget your baby hairs on the other side. And then with the extra left that I have, I usually just put it like on my hands like this, as you guys can see. Rub it together and then just start rubbing it into my ends and onto the back of my head as well, like the roots right here. As you guys can see, this bottle comes with a lot of product. Look at that. Okay, so it is massaged into my hair or evenly, guys. And I know I look crazy right now. So what I do next is pull my hair all back one more time. And then just lift this part up. And now I'm taking a plastic bag and I'm wrapping this around my head. Make sure you tuck all your hair in like this. And then yeah, I usually secure it with the plastic bag so the color could just sit in my hair. So while I'm waiting for the hair color to set into my roots, I usually like to put on a mask. As you guys know, the mask I have been talking about a lot is this rose clay mask by Origin. Alright guys, so I absolutely look more crazier right now. So once I put on this clay mask, I usually watch an episode of a show on Netflix because it's usually like 30 or 45 minutes, and once the show is over, that's when I like to rinse out my hair. So I'm going to be right back in about 30-45 minutes to show you guys how it settles in. Alright guys, so I'm in natural lighting right now because I want you guys to see how light my roots got in 25 minutes. So as you guys can see, it's getting a little bit lighter. I just need this part to get a little bit more lighter. So I'm gonna leave it on for like another 15-minute shower, and then I'll be back to show you guys the result. Okay? Alright guys, so I just got out of the shower and look at my roots, guys. They are not dark anymore, they are blonde again. Alright guys, I'm gonna end the video here. So I hope you guys liked this video. If you guys did, don't forget to give this video a like, leave any comments down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video.